Welcome back. First, open the PICSART app. You can find this app on my Telegram channel. Click on Edit Photo and select a white background. Click on Text, then add your text and set the color to black. Go to My Fonts and select the font. This font is also available on my Telegram channel. Adjust the text as I'm doing in the video. Now go to Stickers and select a black line sticker. Adjust it just like I'm showing. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description, and all the materials used in this edit are also available there. Save this image and create the second text in the same way. Now add your PNG and text. Go to Ratio and select 3.4. Adjust everything as I'm doing in the video. Save it and adjust the second text the same way. Now add my edit to the timeline. You'll find this edit on my Telegram channel. Now extract the audio and manually add beats just like I'm doing. Finally, export using the same settings. Then add your clips according to the beats. Go to Transition and select Mix. Add a keyframe at the start and end of the clip. At the end keyframe, zoom out and apply Flow 2 graph. Now again, add a keyframe at the start and end of the next clip. This time, zoom in at the starting keyframe and again use the Flow 2 graph. Apply this same pattern to all clips. Bring the overlay layer down and adjust it like I'm doing. Go to Opacity, add a keyframe, and at the second keyframe, set opacity to 30%. Apply this same setting to all clips. Now go to Effects and select Fancy Sharpen. Then go to Effects again and select Delicate Rays and adjust it the same way. Adjust it as I'm showing. Next, go to Adjust and make adjustments as I'm showing. Go to Filter and adjust it the same way as shown.